Alright, what we have for sale here is a vintage sewing machine. This is a Class 15 machine. This is copied off the Singer 15 series. This is made with high quality engineering and machining from a Japanese company. And this is called the Commodore. You can see the label there, and says Super Deluxe, made in Japan. It of course takes 15 class bobbins. It is a straight stitch only machine, and it has a reverse feature. And yeah, it looks just like a Singer 15. And this one actually has a Singer motor on it. So we'll take it. Let's take a look at this side over here. That's in focus. Let's turn this light off for you. So yeah, it's a beautiful machine. We'll demo it here in a little bit. I think I got my cords caught up on something. Spin it around this way to show you the back. So here's the back here. And the light here, it's a little loose. I might put some Loctite on it, so this might come off, but maybe I would have fixed it by the time someone actually buys it. Has a Singer motor here. And what I've done with this one is I rewired it complete with this heavy duty wiring. And so it's completely rewired. And with the brand new electronic foot pedal, and with the wires, normally on a lot of these vintage machines, for some reason the cord length is too short if you're putting it on a high desk. So these wires, including the one that goes to the wall, are extra long. So if you're a tall person or you like to sew with a high desk, you're not going to have that problem. It's going to work for you. You got plenty of cordage here. Okay, and also, along with the rewiring process, I put on a nice high quality, let's see if that works, high quality plug-in. So it's all beefy, it's ready to go. I've completely removed all the old grease out of it and re-oiled it with sewing machine oil, and if it needs it in a certain place where the grease is. So yeah, it is fully serviced, everything's adjusted, and it's ready to go. The original base was in very bad shape, so that we took that out of the equation, and I made this simple base. I'll show you that really quickly. It's just a simple base I made. I just carved these by hand. This is pine. I put an antique finish on it, and this allows it to sit in there. And this little part here is just to give you a little extra hand room to get your bobbin in and out. So I'll show you how that works. So let's put this back in. So yeah, once you get your bobbin out, you have a little extra room there, a little scoop. Makes it nice. So yeah, it's really great sewer. So let's wind a bobbin really quickly. Let's see. You can see that, yeah. Alright, so the bobbin down here, I'm just gonna use this from another bobbin to another bobbin. Let me trim this off really quickly. Snips. Alright. Just wind this back around this way, up to here. And put this on this. And it holds on there nicely. And engage it. When I engage, it doesn't completely touch the hand wheel, so I just press it with my finger to hold it down there. Clip that off. Hold this guy on. It's going to go flying. Alright, there we got that. Now let's thread the machine. Re-engage the hand wheel here. And we'll put this up top. And for this 15, which makes it unique to other vintage machines, is that the tension assembly is on the back side of it. So let's turn it towards the camera. Maybe I can show you a little better on how this threads up. Hopefully that this front focused up. Alright, so come down here, down that thread guide, around these tension discs, and then you gotta, I can see in here, I'm not used to threading it from this side. Yeah, let me take it on this side. I can't mentally process that. So yeah, it comes around this little spring. Up through the take-up lever. Get that jiving. I got it tangled. We'll fast forward through that part. I have it in my mental block again. I can't do it backwards. Get it up through there. Let's snip this off. There's what we want. Then we go down through this thread guide. Then when we thread it, we're going to thread the needle from left to right. And hopefully I can get it the first try. Get a nice clean edge on that. Let me get my light back on so I can see what's going on here. Oh, got it first try. Alright. Let's get our bobbin thread. Okay. Snip that off. I got black on the top and red on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to grab a piece of fabric. This gray will work good. Let me cut a little piece off of this. Grab my scissors. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pull it towards me so I can be able to finagle my way around. Alright, so we're going to start with the longest stitch. So. Go back the other way. So yeah, it can take off. It has a lot of power. Let's start with a shorter stitch. So we'll go with a shorter stitch, and what you can do with these type of machines is once you set your stitch length, you can push this, it just kind of floats back and forth, and tighten it down so it'll remember that stitch location when you come back. And also it behaves in a way so when you go to do the reverse stitch, it'll be the same length stitch as you are going forward. So that works out nice. So let's try, we'll do this, we'll reverse back. Kind of sounds like a locomotive. It's a really cool sound. Alright, let's see if we can get a close up on this. So it stitches very nicely. And I don't have anything heavy duty to sew through, but I can fold this over several times to see how we do. Well, we count how many times I fold it over. So this is cotton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Folded it over 6 times. Slide it under this presser foot. Make sure our threads are jiving. Okay. We'll put it on a longest stitch. And then we'll go. Now this machine, it's as far as the sewing machine pedal, it's a brand new pedal, but it's kind of challenging to get it to start slow. So when I press it, I'm pressing really slow. I'm trying to get it to go. You can hear the motor. And it just kind of goes, but then as you back the pedal off, it'll slow down. But as far as a really a pedal that has a lot of, I'm not getting the right word in my head, the ability to be able to adjust between various slower speeds is not that great, but I have found once you feel the motor going, you can assist a little bit here to start slower. Saw another YouTuber do that, and I was wondering why he did that. So I guess some machines, if you want to go slow, you start the motor with your foot to the point where it's on the verge of going, and then assist it, and then that'll get you a good slower speed right out of the gate. Do a little reverse stitch here. Very nice, yeah. Stitches are really nice. Let's see if we can get a close up on this one here. I hope that's in focus. I'm trying to assist in every way to get it in focus. So yeah, really nice. Let's fold it over 2 more times. Let's see if we can have any problem. If we can even get it under the presser foot. Nah, it's too thick. So let me fold it 2 times. These layers here. That'll slide under there. And I lost my thread. Got sucked up through the... Didn't give myself enough tail. So let me thread this again really quickly. Alright, we'll slide this in here. Drop our presser foot. And put our needle down, and we'll go off to the races. Back one. Alright, we head down this way. Oh, forgot to put it in forward. Just having a heck of a day here. Let's go back one more time. Here we go. Alright, and there you have it. Says through no problem at all. So yeah, we have this machine for sale at the Enchanted Forest. And so just to recap, it's a class 15 machine, very well built. Comes with a Singer motor, and everything's been adjusted, re-lubricated, and it comes with new wiring, complete wiring. Even the wiring to the lamp is new. It's a heavy-duty wire, and the length of the wire is a little extra long, so it's a lot more user-friendly as where you put your pedal. I like putting my pedal off to the side instead of straight under me, so I need a little bit extra length. So yeah, if you're a taller sewer or want some more versatility with your cord length, that's a plus too. I didn't mention this little thing right here. You can lower your feed dog, and it has several steps. There's a down, 1, 2, 3, fully up. And so if you're doing any embroidery or anything like that, yeah, it's something you can do. With this listing, if you found this video, you found it through a listing, so I'll put pictures up of more detail of this machine. And if you're interested, call and see if we still have it listed. And you're welcome to come in and try this out. And we usually have other machines that I have brought back to life for sale on the showroom floor and on our website. Alright, thanks for watching.